Somebody else says, kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty. There's naman doon blooper, puro pagdating sa trial gan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan na yan. Kung kaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.
Kung general naman kayo, alam na ba na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso pinacharge sa kanya ngayon? Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam na kung in-charge sa kanya, nasa dyaryo lang. And then, hindi pa kayo na, ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo member. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the Prosecutor General. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. You have to file a counter affidavit. Without doing those procedural process, here we are being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest.
For detention, on the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime